Hello everybody, welcome to AtNET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question, an interesting question from the chapter Ray Optics. What is the question, sir? A rod of length 10 centimeter. So this is the rod AB. Its length is 10 centimeter. Lies along the principal axis of a concave mirror. This is the concave mirror and this is the principal axis, this line. A focal length 10 centimeter. The focal length of the concave mirror is 10 centimeter. In such a way that its end closer to the pole is 20 centimeter. That means this end A is closer to the pole of the mirror. Is it not? Sure. And this distance is 20 centimeter. And the length of the rod is 10 centimeter. So the other end B is at 30 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. Okay, that's all. So the length of the image is how much? That is what you have been asked. Okay, so it is 2.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter. These are all the four options given to you. So for a concave mirror, you know that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. This is the general formula. So what is u? Distance between the mirror and the object. What is v? Distance between the mirror and the image. U is the distance between the mirror and the object. V is the distance between the mirror and the image. F is the focal length of the mirror. Okay. Now we are having two cases. One is for this closer end. Another one is for the farther end. For end A, U1 is equal to minus 20 centimeter. In the case of concave lens, we consider U as a negative quantity. So minus 20 centimeter. So we can write 1 by minus 20 is plus 1 by V1 is equal to minus 1 by 10. 1 by F. What is the value of F? 10 centimeter. As it is a concave mirror, you put a negative sign here. So 1 by 10. So you put 1 by V1 here and bring 1 by 20 to the other side. So 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by minus 10 minus of, when it goes to the other side, it will become minus of 1 by minus 20. This is minus of minus, so plus. So 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by 20. So 1 by V1 is equal to, you put 1 by 20 because this is a positive quantity, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 10. Common at the 20 into 1 minus 2. That's 2 into 10, 20. Is it not? So 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 20. So V1 is equal to 1 by V1 is equal to minus 1 by 20. Therefore V1 is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, yeah. What is this V1, sir? This is the distance between the mirror and the closer end of the rod object. In this case, it is a rod, 20 centimeter. For end B, U2 is equal to minus 30 centimeter because the length of the rod AB is equal to 10, is it not? So closer end is at 20 centimeter and the farther end is at 30 centimeter. So since the length of the rod is 10 centimeter. So now the equation, because instead of minus 1 by minus 20, here you put 1 by minus 30. This is 1 by V2. Then for the new case, the distance between the image and the mirror is V2. Is equal to, focal length will not change. Focal length of the mirror will not change. 1 by minus 10. So you keep 1 by V2 here and bring 1 by minus 30 to the other side. So 1 by minus 10 minus, when it goes to the other side, it will become minus 1 by minus 30, minus or minus plus. So plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by minus 10. Or you can also say minus 1 by 10. So 1 by V2 is equal to, now the 30 is the common factor. 1 30, 3 30. So 1 minus 3 divided by 30. That is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 30. That is equal to minus 2 divided by 30. This can be written as minus 1 by 15. Minus 2 with what under minus 1 by 15. So it is 1 by V2 is equal to minus 1 by 15. That is V2 is equal to minus 15 centimeter. So what is the length of the image? P1 minus V2. So minus 15 centimeter minus of minus 20 centimeter. V2 minus V2. So minus 15 plus 20. This is 5 centimeter. So option B is the right answer. the length of the image is 5 centimeter for the given rod of length 10 centimeter. Okay, so option B is the right answer. This is an interesting question. Yeah, you may expect these sort of questions in your NEET examinations. So anyway, you will see another question from this same chapter, ray optics, in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.